Industrial processes in the energy and chemical sectors rely on containing immense forces. Inside, volatile fluids and gases are compressed and heated to extreme levels. When that containment fails, the rapid release of trapped energy destroys infrastructure, poisons local environments, and endangers lives. Engineering a safe method to hold this massive volatile force in check is the baseline requirement for operating a modern industrial plant. Maintaining the integrity of these pressure vessels is the only thing standing between daily operations and the physical devastation of a facility and its surrounding community. For decades, operators relied on mechanical safeguards and physical inspections to keep this energy contained. Across Europe, the foundation of this defense has been the Directive sur les équipements sous pression, or DESP. The directive dictates physical resilience. It requires thicker steel walls, precisely calibrated safety valves, and routine walkthroughs by workers armed with clipboards and analog gauges. The limitation of this mechanical approach is that it responds to structural fatigue only after it has already become a physical problem. This chart shows how traditional monitoring functions. The baseline pressure reads as stable, and the dial only spikes into the red zone at the exact moment a critical failure is already underway, offering zero lead time to intervene. To protect facilities as they grow larger and run hotter, industrial operators need a system that identifies microscopic stress points months before a fracture occurs. Artificial intelligence offers the computational power necessary to move industrial maintenance from reactive to predictive. An algorithm can simultaneously ingest data from thousands of digital sensors spread across a facility, tracking microscopic fluctuations in pressure and temperature in real time. This digital twin of a pipe network aggregates millions of sensor data points, isolating stress patterns invisible to human inspectors. The predictive models create a thermal map, forecasting a fracture at a specific joint before the steel yields. With enough data and processing power, sudden mechanical breakdowns could theoretically be engineered out of the equation. A single worker inspecting dials once a shift cannot compete with a system monitoring every millimeter of piping 1,000 times a second. By shifting the focus from subjective spot checks to continuous data-driven probability, AI provides a way to quantify mechanical risk with a granularity that was previously impossible. Yet, despite the ability to prevent catastrophic explosions, the European Union is classifying the use of artificial intelligence in industrial safety as a severe systemic threat. Under the upcoming European AI Act, algorithms deployed within critical infrastructure face strict regulatory scrutiny. The law explicitly categorizes any artificial intelligence acting as a safety component for energy and pressure equipment as a high-risk system. If the software is designed perfectly to prevent disasters, it is worth asking why regulators consider the tool itself to be dangerous. The issue lies in the architecture of machine learning. Complex algorithms operate as black boxes, where even the developers cannot completely trace how the system processes its data to arrive at a specific conclusion. If an internal software glitch causes the algorithm to incorrectly classify a dangerously fatigued pressure vessel as stable, human operators will trust the digital readout over the physical reality of the aging metal. A software crash in an office deletes a file. A software error in a chemical plant's predictive maintenance system allows a pressurized tank to rupture. Handing control of life or death physical infrastructure to algorithms we cannot fully understand introduces an entirely new category of risk into industrial operations. To mitigate this risk, operators face a hard regulatory deadline. The strict mandates of the EU AI Act take full effect in August 2026. The legislation outlaws the black box. Industrial operators will be required to provide algorithmic transparency, mathematically proving exactly how their software generates its predictions. Manufacturers must also guarantee structural software safety, demonstrating that their code is highly fortified against both internal processing errors and external cyber attacks. This flowchart outlines the new burden of proof placed on operators. Before an algorithm is allowed to monitor live equipment, its outputs must clear exhaustive digital audits, passing through a transparency check, security audit, and data validation. Regulators are enforcing a system where lines of computer code are inspected and stressed with the exact same rigor as the forged steel used to build the pressure vessels. The August 2026 deadline effectively categorizes digital algorithms as load-bearing components, subject to the same regulatory oversight as the physical infrastructure they monitor. Beyond transparency and software security, the European laws mandate one final, non-negotiable safeguard: the human-in-the-loop requirement. The legislation strips the algorithm of final operational authority. The system is legally restricted to serving as an advanced digital scout, capable only of analyzing data and suggesting actions. Human technicians must retain absolute override capability. They are legally required to actively oversee the software and validate its conclusions before any action is taken. Moving forward, managing critical infrastructure means seamlessly integrating complex predicted algorithms with traditional mechanical engineering. The future of pressure equipment safety is an alliance. Artificial intelligence will predict the invisible dangers, while human judgment and accountability remain the final barrier preventing disaster.